Hello, we make games, but primarily we are all gamers. We spotted few major problems with game industry right now. Games from common developers are often too shallow and focused on financial benefits. Computer geeks accept ambitious games and the possibility to influence the development process. What is our solution for these problems? We want to create a game with interesting and innovative story and art. We want to give players ability to influence the development process with so-called feedback-driven development. We want our game to be story-driven, which will require more attention from the players. So, how can we make money out of this game? Of course, it's a game, so we can sell it. We want our game to be sold at 9.90 euros per copy. It's below 10 euro filter on most digital platforms, which will make it more accessible for everyone. Our main targets are players interested in indie games in general. Our solution fits their problem the most, so we can deliver them the content they need and they desire. Also, our game will be fun for fantasy geeks because it's okay. Never mind. Let's go to the markets. We took four main markets into consideration. First one is our game players in general, PC and consoles, which we estimated is 1 billion. The next one are game players on PC, which we estimate is 800 million. The next one is Steam active play users, which is 125 million. Our last market, our main target, are indie players on Steam, which we estimate is 4 million players. How can we validate our idea? First, we of course can only take feedback from family and our friends. Further into development, when we get some stable prototypes, we can share our game with game dev community and gather further feedback from them. We plan, of course, further tests when we have more stable versions of our game. We want to continuously gather feedback during development process and early access. We plan to partner with Steam platform, which will give us access to Steam Greenlight program, which will help our game to reach more players. Later in the development, we consider partnering with other providers such as GOG. Our next steps for our game is, of course, continue development for it, add more content. We want to gather